Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Moonriver. On a daily time frame chart, Moonriver has broken down recently these two patterns. One is the symmetrical triangle, this one, and after that it broke down the support of this down channel as well. And by the way, the target for the breakdown from this symmetrical triangle was here. That was approximately at $10, and you can see that the price, and sorry, not here, for the breakdown from the triangle target was here, approximately at $12.80, and you can see that the price and dropped down more than that, and the target for the breakdown from this channel was not here. That was, by the way, as per this measurement, that was here. That was at $11.50, and you can see that the price and even dropped more than that target as well, up to $10. And now there is a probability that the price line may try to re-enter the same channel that is previously broken down, because you can see that stochastic is turned bullish. We have received the bull cross and the price line is moving up, and soon it can reach somewhere here approximately at $16 to make another attempt to re-enter this channel. However, this previous downtrend line support of the channel can now work as a quite strong resistance for the price line, and in today's video we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this very big falling wedge pattern. In fact, when the price was dropped down here at this long-term support of $3.70, in those days I shared a lot of videos with you, and I was telling you in those days that now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out this falling wedge pattern, and once Moonriver will be able to break out this big falling wedge pattern, then a long-term rally to the upside can be started. By the way, the technical target was here at the top of the wedge between $22 to $25, and you can see that the price line rallied beyond that target up to $45 approximately, where we have this very long-term resistance that was previously working as a support, and now it worked as a resistance. And in today's video we will also take a look at this rejection as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And by the way, if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for PolyX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case I shared this signal on 30th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm doing here, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell targets on. Now let me take you to the live chart of Moonriver, and this is the daily time frame chart. And previously I've been showing you this symmetrical triangle and this down channel. At the same time, the price line was moving inside these both patterns. It was also respecting this uptrend line support, and whenever we were having long spikes to the downside, at that time it was testing the support of this down channel as well, you can see. And after breaking down the symmetrical triangle, the price line also broke down the support of this channel and dropped down up to $10. And now you can see that the price line is moving slightly up, and soon it is possible that it may hit the resistance of this downtrend line resistance, that is in fact the support of the channel, that will be approximately at $16. And in case of breaking out this resistance, an imminent move can be possible up to the resistance of this channel, that will be approximately at $23 or $24. And now if we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big falling wedge pattern. Then we had a very powerful rally, by the way, from this low to this high. It was more than 1408% rally, and during this rally we have also broken out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And by the way, during this rally the price line is also rejected. First it broke out these conversion and the baselines of the Ichimoku bearish cloud. Let me just show you these conversion and baselines, this brown and this blue line, and you can see that here we broke it out for a while, but again the price line is moved down, and now these conversion lines and baselines can also work as a resistance for the price, and especially when they are in bear cross. You can see that this bullish line or blue line has crossed down this brown line or bearish line, and when we will receive a bull cross between these two lines, then there will be a very high probability that the price end may break out these two lines or these two resistance levels. Now if we take a look at this current move of the price end, then you can see that it is moving at this long-term support of $13.15. In fact, at this time it is moving slightly down than this support, and it happened here and here as well in the past 2 weeks, but the price and recovered back very soon above this support, and now at this time we are also having a spike below than this support. If we will have a closing below than this support of $13.15, then it can again drop down to the next support of $10 that the price and tested on this candlestick almost 1 week ago. But you can see that after this long spike, the price and recovered back very soon and moved above this support of $13, and right now it is again testing this support. And if we will have a closing below $13.15 support, then it can drop down to the next support of $10 once again. And if the price and will start another reversal move to the upside, if you take a look at the stochastic, by the way, you can see that it has completely entered the oversold zone. Like when it was entered the oversold zone here previously in the month of September 2023, then we broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And before that, when it was entered the oversold zone here in the month of May 2023, and you can see that the price line at the same time was dropped down at the support of this wedge, and then we had a nice reversal but got rejected by the resistance of this wedge, and therefore it has once again entered the oversold zone. And once we will receive a bull cross, like when this blue line will cross up the orange line, then I'm expecting that it can start another a correction move to the outside, and during this move it can try to break out this resistance of $20, and then the next resistance will be here at $27.15. However, the key resistance will be still here, that is at $45, and once the price and will be able to break it out, then I'm expecting an imminent move to the to this very major resistance of $100. And once the price and will be able to break out this resistance of $100, then it can be flipped into a very long-term support for the price, and this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.